Hello, this is Dr. Jason McClellan from Hampton Veterinary Hospital, and I'd like to talk to you about weight management in your pets. Certainly talking about weight is an uncomfortable situation for a lot of us, even with our own selves, with our doctors and our family members, and certainly then when it relates to our pets, it's not always a comfortable discussion. Um, but we feel it's an important discussion to have. Most of our pets, just like we do, we love eating. Food is the way to unlock our soul and our happiness and connect, and we do so with food, with ourselves as well as far as our relationships with our pets. But just like everything in moderation is important, and because just like with you, we want your pets to live longer and be happier and feel more comfortable over that time that they are with you. And so weight management, it starts at a young age, and it's important to have portion control, and also including with treats and having regular exercise. Those are the big things. So having a dog and giving your dog exercise is not only good for them, it's good for you. It's enriching. Most dogs love to go for walks, be out and see other people, other pets. It's great for all of us to keep us healthy, burning calories, moving our joints, having exercise. It helps training on leash training. So those are all good things. Portion control is always important. We never ever recommend just filling the bowl, especially for cats, which is a common thing to do. Just filling and putting out free choice dry food is the number one reason why we see cats that become overweight. Also too, I think we as veterinarians have put a taboo over the years on canned food. I agree, it does have an odd smell to it depending on the foods, especially fish canned foods. You have to deal with the recycling of cans and the mess, and it is a little bit more expensive. But overall, cats digest canned food much better. They actually maintain a leaner body weight, especially if fed all canned food and no dry food, as cats are carnivores, and so they do much better with no carbohydrates and dry that they do. Unfortunately, dry food has a lot in carbohydrates, so you want to avoid that, whereas canned food that has no carbohydrates, so they do great on canned food diets. So don't shy away from canned food. Dry food is not evil, it's problematic if fed too much. So please, I urge you, if you have any questions, talk to your veterinarian about portion control with your cats and your dogs at an early age, or at any age, especially if there's a problem. Just like with us, weight is much easier to put on than it is to take off. And just like with us, most diets don't work. We do have some hints and tricks and things that you can try to successfully help to get your pet to lose weight if they need to, and we're recommending this. But weight control is important, not only for comfort as we get older with our joints. Having extra weight hastens on arthritis and arthritic pain. It can also increase the risk for orthopedic injuries like ACL tears in dogs, back issues, especially in breeds like Dachshunds or French Bulldogs that are prone to disc issues in their back. So again, maintaining a lean, healthy body weight is very, very important to our pets. There was a study done by Purina a number of years ago that compared overweight dogs, not even obese dogs, just overweight dogs, to healthy weight dogs. It was a lifetime study with hundreds of dogs, and the study results showed that healthy weight dogs live 2.5 years longer on average than overweight dogs. You can imagine how even much more they would live than obese dogs. So 2.5 years, especially in certain breeds that don't only live 7, 8, 9 years, or even those that live 14, 15 years, is a long time. And so we want your pets to live with you and be happy with you and spend your lives with you as much and as long as possible, and the most comfortable and healthiest way possible too. So if your veterinarian discusses with you about weight loss in your pet, please try not to take it personally. Please realize we're only doing this to help your pet, and therefore to help you too. If you have any questions as far as weight control and helping your pet or keeping your pet from becoming overweight as a young pet, please feel free at any point in time to reach out to your veterinarian here at Hampton Veterinary Hospital. We're more than happy to help. Okay, take care.